Hey guys, I'm Renee Fuentes and I'm partnering with one of my friends here in Arizona, Mango Rabbit Tempe. They have an at-home boba kit and I'm going to show you guys how to make boba at home. In the at-home kit, you are going to get dried boba that I'm going to show you how to boil, some brown sugar, and your drink of choice. So this is Thai tea. It's already been pre-mixed and this is going to be enough for 2 servings along with the boba straws. So I have a large pot of water with 6 cups of water at a high boil, and go ahead and add the boba into the pot, and you're going to boil this for about 30 minutes. So once the bobas rise to the top, you can lower the heat to medium, but leave it uncovered for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, go ahead and turn off the heat and place the lid and leave it covered for 30 more minutes. After the boba has rested for 30 minutes, go ahead and remove the lid, and we're going to take out the boba with a strainer, and then we're going to rinse it under warm water first and then cold water afterwards. Go ahead and place the rinsed boba in a bowl and add your desired amount of brown sugar and mix it well. Once the boba is all mixed, go ahead and add it to your Boba Cups. Then we're going to fill each cup up with ice and give the Thai tea a good shake before pouring it into the cups. And your Thai tea with fresh boba is all ready to enjoy. So go ahead and put the lids on and add your boba straws and enjoy. Be sure to check out Mango Rabbit in Tempe, Arizona. You can place your order online at mangorabbitboba.com and check them out on Instagram. Thanks guys.